If you get 12 kids in a room paying $15 each, and you teach 2 classes back to back, and you do this 2 days a week, minus a $30 room rental fee for every hour you teach, that's how you get over $2,000 a month teaching iPad kids 3D printing. And for the time investment, that's really not bad. But this begs the question, how exactly do you teach a 3D print club? Okay, so the way I designed my 3D print club is no screens. We work with our hands, and we get a cool project to take away at the end of each week. So let's say we're doing my Design a Dragon project. For this week, I'd hand the kids quick drying clay and explain that we're gonna be designing the head of a dragon. And once they're done, I'll 3D scan their models with my phone so that I can take their models into Blender and 3D print them attached to the existing dragon body. And it'll end up looking like this. The Design a Dragon project is one of the most popular weeks I've run so far, and the kids have had a lot of fun with it too. Now, to get to the point you've been waiting for, I've been running a 3D print club for close to a year now, and the number one thing I keep asking myself is, why has nobody else started one of these? And I think the most obvious answers are that nobody has thought of doing this. Most people lack the time to sit down and test out new projects every week. Not to mention figuring out the logistics and the profit margins, the advertising, the payment processing. You get the idea. But luckily, someone out there was crazy enough to do this for you. It was me. I've made dozens of weeks worth of projects, and I've also systemized the whole setup process, creating a step-by-step on how to go from 0 to fully operational after-school club. Although this doesn't have to strictly be an after-school club, because you could run this as like a summer class or a weekend program, whatever you want really. Now, if you stick around till the end, I'll show you how exactly you can set up a 3D print club with help from myself. But in the meantime, I wanted to share a cool story that happened during one of my classes. And this time around, we had a new kid join. There was an open slot in my class, so I let him in. And he looked pretty nervous. So I got him sat down and showed him the design challenge we were doing that day. We were making one of those toys with a suction cup and a spring. I asked him what he wanted to make for it, and he told me it's a surprise. So I decided to leave him to it. And after a while, I come back to check in on him. He shows me the rocket he's made. He then asks if he can go see his mom. And usually I tried to keep the kids in the class for the whole lesson, but it was his first day and he seemed pretty shaken up before he got settled down. So I let him go find his mom outside. And actually, they both came back, and I asked how his class was. But since he was feeling too shy, his mom asked if he wanted to come back next week, to which he nodded. And then she asked if she could pay for the next 2 months in advance. There's usually a thing like this that pops up where one of the parents tell me that their kid finally has a club to be part of, because often other after-school clubs don't feel very welcoming. And it's a gift to the shy or introverted kids to get to sit down and make something completely from their own imagination. And if you want to provide that for a kid, you can be one of the first to join my private school community, where you'll have access to myself, as well as new weekly projects, and all the resources on how to set up and run one of these classes yourself, and make your first profit. Link in the description. But that's all for now. Like, sub, and leave a comment.